Hey Busy Bee, my name is Lee Turbianic. I was doing a little research and seeing your business come up across, so I wanted to check and see what your website looked like and noticed that it could use a little bit of help, as you already know. Um, I did see your old website, which was very nice, professional, and that's what Google looks for in a website, and that's who is going to rank at the top. Say somebody were to type, paving company near me or paving company Scranton or Simpson. So this site that you have is just the business site that Google provides, and it really doesn't do much except for just basically have your information on it. So now I just did a quick search for paving company Dixon City, and Google's broke down into three sections. Up here is your ads, and you could be paying cost per click for this, but that gets very costly, and sometimes them leads are bogus, so I don't really touch base too much on the cost per click stuff. But I do focus on the GMB listing, getting you up in this top three, and getting your website revamped and done correctly so you show up on the first page here. As you can see, I typed paving company, Dixon City, PA, and Bear Owens is showing up there. There's a couple other ones, but I wanted to show you a site. Now, as you can see, nice looking site, beautiful logo to start, his information. This guy is missing a contact form right up here, though, in the header. That's just, a contact form, name, phone number, email, message, whatever you would like to know from the client. To just if they come here, they're gonna and they want to hire BlackRock, they're gonna instantly fill that out, and it's gonna go straight to BlackRock's email. So that would be something I would suggest for your website. Just some nice pictures in the background, but the main thing that we want to focus on is content, and that's what Google really looks for, is content. So Google likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage, and by looking at his homepage, he only has a couple hundred homepages. It looks like this website wasn't done too great as far as Google standards, but it is a website and it is built professionally at this point. But what we would do is a lot better. So based off of what information you were telling me, you would love a revamped website that really can show your skills, and you can broadcast your photos and stuff that you guys do. Plus, I want to build out your listing here to get you up in this top three. So as you can see, we got Paving Company, Mariani, Chuck Godez, and Scranton. They're showing up in first place. So what we would do is go into your listing and optimize it, and also add citations to it. Now, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in directories all across the web, and mainly targeted in our area. So a citation is listed in like the Yellow Pages, Yak, City Star, all those directories. So I know you said you had MapQuest or something like that, but we would focus on 250 of them. So anywhere that anyone is searching for a paving company, they're going to be able to find you. So that's the first step. Now, this bottom section, this is the organic section. What ranks you here is a well-built website. This deals with your website URL alone. So as you can see, we got Angie's List. The first actual website showing up is BH Paving. So let's go see what they're showing up. And they're showing up for an ad at this point. So yeah, not too bad. They got their services listed. Request a call back, a little gallery, testimony. This is kind of what I would like to see for you. A homepage, whatever services you listed, and then they can choose and click on one and go, and it's going to be a little content written about it. Just your areas you focus on. But here's an example of a couple websites that I did. So this is for Berman's Collision Automotive. It's in Jackson, PA. Nice video header, quick contact form people can fill out, get their free estimate, and content. And I want to focus on keywords, and that's, paving company, Scranton, PA, or asphalt company, Jackson, or Scranton, PA. So a little video, their hours, but content. This is what Google looks for, is information for the buyer. We have some really cool stuff we can do, before and afters, click to call buttons throughout, really cool background pictures, but content and more content. Just a very beautiful and well built, plus your reviews, a map, your site map, your socials linked. I suggest if you don't have a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, we could get those created, because that's just more places for people to be able to find you and see your business. So anyways, other than that, I don't see your website costing too much. Like I said, you would just have to tell me, what you would want in it, and we could go from there. Usually it's a cost per page, and then have the content written, and it's always half down, and then half when the website's complete, and you say, yeah, let's go live with it. You obviously already have a domain name, but if you would like something different, we could do that, and I provide hosting. Let's chat. I'd love to talk with you a little bit more and kind of see where you're headed with this. And it is the season, weather's getting warm, people are going to be doing some searches, so I can also dig in behind and see what people are doing. So I put in the asphalt repair Scranton PAs. So there's some keywords right now for Scranton, which is paving contractor Scranton. There's about 10 search volumes, that's 10 jobs. So this is just a simple search, paving and seal coat solutions, 60 searches for that. So I also dig in and then we fill these keywords into your content. But as of right now, you're not showing anything due to that business site. And this is your competitor right here, the Asphalt Repair Scranton, PA. And they're 13 and 2. They only got 23 backlinks, which is what powers your website. And only 2 of them transfer any power. These do follow links. So best part about this, we can go right in, see where they're getting their links from, Scranton Asphalt Repair, and we can go and get these for your business. Get you some power behind your website. But thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out. My name is Lee Terbienic, 570-240-5257. Here's another quick website. This is for a curbing company out in Charleston, South Carolina, in Somerville. Built this. Beautiful. He wanted recent photos of all his stuff. Everything highlighted. Beautiful photos. You can click on them, make them bigger. So, yep. But yeah, very nice built site. He loves it. And it's something you'll have forever. It showcases you and your business. Get an estimate now. So, okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and happy Mother's Day too to your wife or any family members.